Work is worship is a phrase that refers to the importance and value of work. This proverb explains that there is no worship better than doing your work with optimum dedication and devotion. Eventually, what really matters is how you perform your duties, but not how devotedly you worship. People are known for the work they do and how sincerely they do it. Working wholeheartedly will bring good name and rewards, way more than worship. People who are ideals for others and are famous have achieved success only through their work only. The main objective of life is found in one small phrase: work is worship. Without work, life becomes dull and worthless. Work gives us a motive to live and a way to fulfill our needs. If we have faith in our hard work, we cannot lose hope even when life becomes miserable. For instance, the hard work that a farmer does in the farms helps feed many empty stomachs. Similarly, a hard-working doctor is able to bring a smile to hundreds of sick faces in a single day. All the famous people around the world have achieved success and gained the position in which they are today only because of their hard work. It is said that if a hard-working person puts her hand to the soil, it will become gold, and if the lazy person will touch the gold, it will become clay. Eventually, what matters is that you worship your work, because it is of no use if we do not work and instead devote all our time to worship. We can achieve our dreams, no matter how big or small, through hard work. Further, when we put in our 100% effort, we will be able to fulfill all our needs. Additionally, working hard will make an individual more disciplined and a better person. Thus, we should always worship our work for a peaceful, happy and successful life, and for that, it is important for us to believe in the power of hard work.